Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you've ever walked past an old chair, table, or cabinet and thought, it's too outdated for my modern home, this video will change the way you see your furniture forever. Because today, we are diving deep into a world where creativity meets sustainability, where old, forgotten pieces are revamped and rejuvenated into modern masterpieces. This is your ultimate guide to breathing new life into dated furniture for a contemporary, elegant home. Here at Kuki Decor, we believe that every piece of wood, every old nail, every scratch, and every dent tells a story. And with just a bit of care, creativity, and craftsmanship, that story can continue beautifully. So, grab your coffee, take a seat, and let's explore how a little imagination can turn yesterday's furniture into today's statement pieces. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and tap that bell icon, because we post inspiring new videos every single day. Whether you love DIY transformations, eco-friendly projects, or modern wood design ideas, our channel is your daily source of home inspiration. Every home has a few pieces of furniture that have seen better days. Maybe it's a faded coffee table, a worn-out dresser, or an old armchair with peeling paint. Instead of tossing them aside or letting them collect dust, what if we reimagined them? What if we could blend the old-world charm of craftsmanship with the sleek style of modern design? That's the heart of Revamp Rejuvenate. It's not just about repairing furniture, it's about reinvention. It's about giving purpose back to something forgotten, honoring its history while tailoring it to fit the lifestyle and aesthetics of today's home. When you look at an old piece, don't see the damage, see the potential. Beneath the dull varnish and scratches lie solid wood, timeless design, and the possibility to transform it into something fresh, beautiful, and meaningful. Before you pick up a brush or sander, preparation is everything. Start by carefully examining the furniture piece. Is it made from solid wood or veneer? Does it have any structural damage? Are there details worth preserving, like carvings, patterns, or textures that can add character to your modern redesign? Give your furniture a good cleaning. Remove dust, wax, or any old polish with a gentle cleaner or a vinegar water mix. Next, sand the surface lightly to remove old paint, rough edges, or imperfections. This not only prepares it for refinishing, but also reveals the natural grain beneath, which often hides incredible beauty. Repair cracks and dents using wood filler, replace weak joints, and tighten loose screws. This step might seem tedious, but it lays the foundation for a professional quality finish. Once your piece is smooth and ready, it's time to let your creativity shine. Sometimes, revamping furniture means thinking beyond its original purpose. It could become a floating wall shelf. A vintage door can turn into a stunning dining table. A broken dresser can find new life as a bathroom vanity or a stylish TV console. Don't be afraid to experiment. Combining old wood with new materials like glass, metal, or stone can bring out a sophisticated, modern edge. These creative fusions tell a story of contrast: old meets new, tradition meets innovation. This is where your imagination truly comes alive. Furniture doesn't have to stay what it once was. With creativity, any piece can be reborn into something extraordinary. In a world that's constantly buying new, choosing to rejuvenate is an act of sustainability. By revamping old furniture, you're reducing waste, conserving resources, and celebrating craftsmanship that modern mass production often lacks. Each piece you restore contributes to a greener planet, and there's something deeply fulfilling about that. Using reclaimed wood, eco-friendly finishes, and low VOC paints not only makes your furniture safer, but also adds authenticity and depth to your home story. At Kuki Decor, we love highlighting this balance between sustainability and style, because the future of design is responsible, creative, and timeless. What kind of modern looks are you going for? Clean Scandinavian simplicity, and industrial chic warm rustic minimalism. Your furniture's new personality starts with your design direction. For a contemporary home, think about contrast and simplicity. Modern decor thrives on clean lines, natural tones, and subtle details. If your furniture has ornate carvings, balance them with neutral shades like white, grey, or muted beige to modernize the feel while keeping the character. Matte paints are perfect for creating a smooth, elegant finish, while stains or oils can highlight the natural texture of wood. You can even try two-tone designs, a stained wooden top paired with painted legs to achieve a balanced modern rustic look. And don't forget the power of hardware. Replacing old knobs and handles with sleek brass, matte black or brushed nickel instantly gives any furniture a high-end contemporary touch. Color can completely change how your furniture feels in a room. If you're aiming for modern aesthetic, neutral palettes like white, black, taupe, and natural wood tones work beautifully. They create a calm, spacious feel that blends seamlessly with other modern decor elements. But if you're feeling bold, add a pop of color. Deep navy, forest green, or muted terracotta can make your rejuvenated piece stand out as a statement of personality and style. Texture also matters. Smooth polished finishes create a refined look, while distressed or matte textures add depth and charm. For those who love eco-friendly design, consider using non-toxic, water-based paints or natural wax finishes that are safe for both you and the environment. At Kuki Decor, we always encourage sustainable choices because modern design isn't just about how something looks, it's about how it's made and how it lasts. If you love these transformation ideas so far, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit that bell icon. We share new videos daily filled with creative DIYs, reclaimed wood furniture ideas, and eco-chic decor inspiration. Your next masterpiece might be just one video away, so join our community of home design lovers today. One of the most rewarding parts of rejuvenating furniture is seeing how old charm blends beautifully with modern simplicity. A weathered oak table with a sleek matte finish, an antique cabinet with clean new hardware, or a rustic wooden chair painted in crisp white. These combinations create the perfect balance between nostalgia and elegance. This blend not only makes your home visually appealing, but also emotionally comforting. It tells visitors that your space has depth, history, and personality. It's modern, yes, but it's also warm, human, and authentic. Your modern home deserves pieces that carry a story. When you restore something with your own hands, you're not just decorating, you're creating emotional value. The best furniture pieces are the ones that reflect you. So after refinishing and restoring, consider adding personal touches like hand-painted patterns, stencil designs, or creative upholstery. You can line drawers with pattern paper, replace handles with vintage finds, or add leather accents for texture. These small details make your furniture truly one of a kind. For a natural and cozy touch, complement your revamped furniture with indoor plants, soft textiles, and subtle lighting. A combination of natural wood and greenery instantly brings life and warmth into any modern room. Now that your piece is ready, it's time to make it shine within your space. Modern homes thrive on minimal clutter, open layouts, and purposeful design. Place your restored item where it can be admired: a side table near a window, a reclaimed bench in the hallway, or an upcycled cabinet in the living room. Paired with neutral backdrops, clean lines, and thoughtful decor pieces to let it stand out naturally. When modern meets vintage, the result is timeless. It's not about making everything new, it's about making everything meaningful. There's an unmatched joy in watching something old come back to life under your hands. The scratches you sand away, the layers you repaint, the hardware you replace, each action is a gesture of renewal. When you finally step back and admire your finished piece, it's more than furniture, it's art, it's memory, it's love transformed into something tangible. And every time you walk by it, you'll remember the effort, the creativity, and the satisfaction of saving something that once seemed outdated and forgotten. That's the beauty of rejuvenation. It's not just about furniture, it's about giving life to wood, to craft, and to creativity. And that wraps up today's video. Revamp, rejuvenate, breathing new life into dated furniture for a modern home. We hope this episode inspired you to look at your old furniture with fresh eyes and see the potential waiting to be unlocked. Whether it's a small stool or a full dining set, remember, with a little care and imagination, every piece can become a beautiful part of your modern home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, share it with your creative friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily doses of inspiration. We post new videos every day, from reclaimed wood ideas to DIY decor transformations that make your home more sustainable, stylish, and full of life. Thank you for watching and being part of the Kuki Decor family. Until next time, keep creating, keep revamping, and keep turning old treasures into modern masterpieces.